Great Russian chemist Mendeleev wrote that the science is here to serve as the means for achieving good ends. The prime task of the scientist of the 21st century is to preserve the harmony of life on the planet Earth. The motto of the Institute of Ecotechnologies is appropriately phrased as serving for the good of human beings and nature. The employees of the Institute pay a lot of attention to development of new low-toxicity biocidal polymers, polyalkylene guanidines, or PAGs for short. Their application is the most effective and economic method for fighting biological pollution. These polymers are well dissolvable in water, have no color or odor, are not flammable, volatile, or explosive, and are of low toxicity for human beings and animals. They can be stored over long periods of time without losing their biocidal properties. As of today, water solutions of PAG salts have been allowed for application and sale by the Russian Ministry of Public Health. The problems related to use of chlorine in traditional technologies of disinfecting of swimming pools are well known to all. Allergies and side problems are far from being the only their negative effects, which at times forces professional athletes to discontinue using swimming pools. The preparations can be used for disinfecting water for various purposes, such as drinking water, wastewater of industrial enterprises and urban municipal systems, water of swimming and medical therapy pools. The area of application of biocidal preparations in agriculture is very wide too. In plant science, biocides can be used to treat sowing material, grain, potatoes and vegetables. Research has shown that productivity raises significantly as a result, and the treatment of the crop before storage allows almost completely to avoid usual losses during the winter season. Biocide disinfection of premises and equipment of poultry farms, treatment of feed, calves and piglets allows to preclude development of infectious diseases in young animals and increase their weight. While ordinarily chickens add from 500 to 550 grams of weight over 6 weeks, adding 0.3% solution of Biopag to their water allowed them to gain 700 to 750 grams over the same period of time. The employees of libraries and archives also successfully used the products of the Institute in their work. The polyguanidine solutions can be applied in paper industry as well. Using polyguanidines in galvanic works allows to improve essentially the quality of the surface and to improve work safety for the operator. We have developed preparations for stabilization of the greasing and cooling liquids used for polishing of optical surfaces. As a result, the time of grinding was reduced by 20% and the time of polishing by 30%. This helped improve the quality of processing of optical surfaces. Not only construction materials but timber as well is at times left in open air for rather long periods of time at railway stations, river and seaports while waiting for dispatch to sawmills. Treatment by biocidal preparations has been used successfully for protection of these materials. These solutions surpass other similar substances in use today. 0.25% solutions of polyguanidines can be used in biotoilets or in closed-cycle toilets in transport as circulating flushing fluid, assuring sterility and removing the odors from the closed space. Introduction of PAGs into concrete allowed to obtain extra strong concrete compositions. The concrete receives the ability to fill pores and cavities, and after drying becomes 2 to 3 times more durable than usual. This material is especially applicable in construction or restoration of architectural monuments. The Institute of Ecotechnologies has developed and manufactured a mobile plant for soil purification. The technology offered by the Institute provides an optimum combination of various purification methods. The technology used in the work of this unit is waste-free and environmentally friendly. after processing the soil can be used in construction. At present, the Institute has been actively working to find contacts, partners and friends. It is easier to do now that the products of the Institute have passed the test of time and proved their effectiveness.